Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, what have we got for you today? Nice and simple. We've got a cross fountain pen, as it says, cross since 1846, I think it says. Now, cross, some of you will have heard of cross, some of you may have not. They've been going a very long time, making pencils, ballpoints, etc., as well as fountain pens. So they are a very long established company. Now, for some reason, Cross don't seem to be, well, they don't seem to be as popular as some sort of the major manufacturers. Although saying that, they make some absolutely gorgeous pens. Now, this one, if we open it up for you, as it says on the description, it's what we have here is a Cross signature fountain pen. You can see it comes in a Cross box. I don't actually think this is actually the original box, because I believe the signature range had their own box. But as you can see here, we've got the instruction manual there. We've also got 2 cartridges and a converter. As you can see, the converter nice and clean. So as far as I'm aware, on this pen, it's not actually been inked. But look at that, what a gorgeous pen. As I say, this is the Cross signature fountain pen. Now, as far as I'm aware, although the only sort of imprint that we've got on the pen that I can see, if we take you straight up to the clip there, you can see it says Cross on the side of the clip. Now, apart from that, I cannot see any other sort of imprint on the pen. But as far as I'm aware, it was made around about 1990, maybe a year or two earlier. And again, as far as I'm aware, I believe the pen was made in USA, in Rhode Island. So I believe it to be an American made, Rhode Island made Cross fountain pen. As I say, it's the signature, and it comes in this lovely gold plated sort of stripe with sort of wavy lines. If we take you up there, you can see you've got this sort of, yeah, I suppose like a little sort of cap band to the bottom of the cap, and you've got this very long elongated clip, and you can see to the center of the clip, let's give you a different view, you can see the center has got this lovely black lacquered sort of line running down the length of the clip. And if we take you to the top there, you can see to the top there we've got this little black ring to the top. Incidentally, the nice thing about this clip here is that, there you go, it's a spring-loaded clip, which is a nice touch. Now, this particular the sort of signature range, I believe they brought them out in a sort of lacquered, enamelled burgundy colour. I believe they brought them out in a black colour as well. I've actually seen them as well in this gold electroplated with sort of black lines on them as well. But this one, as you can see, is this gold electroplated. I believe it may be 22 karat gold electroplated. One of the other things I've actually read, because the Cross pens, they do have actually a fan base out there, and sort of doing a little bit of homework, reading about this pen, some people suggest that this is actually one of the best made pens that Cross ever made. So, you know, whether you agree or not, I'm not particularly sure. I'm not a big aficionado of Cross pens myself, but all I can tell you, yes, it's a quality lovely quality made fountain pen. Size wise, it's quite a nice size from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel. 143 millimeters capped. It's quite a slim pen, i.e. it's about 10 millimeters in diameter, although as you can see it's got a slight sort of taper on the barrel itself. Now let's undo the cap, which is a friction fit slip on slip off cap, and let's give you a lot of little customary twirls. As I say, as far as I'm aware, the pen's never been inked. It's in beautiful condition, excellent condition. Yeah, you know, let's try and find a new home for it. As I say, there is people out there that collect these cross pens, so I'm sure somebody will be more than happy with this cross signature. You can see the section there, it's sort of ribbed, if you like, sort of makes it nice to grip. To the top of the grip there we've got this gold sort of band, and let's take you up to the nib. It's got a lovely nib on it, and another thing which is very nice about this pen, if I sort of just twirl it slightly, I'm hoping you can see it says cross. To the left it's got 18 carat, 750 to the right, and then it's got this little symbol in the middle which is, I think it just says AT, which is the AT Cross Company, and then to the bottom the letter M, which indicates that it's a medium nib, but a lovely nib. Another thing that I've actually read on this particular model, I believe the nib may have actually been made by Pelikan, so it may actually be a Pelikan made nib for cross. There's a sideways view. Let's show you the feed underneath. It's got this sort of standard wide term as a cross sort of feed underneath there, in lovely condition. As I say, a nice size pen. You've got these sort of ridges on the section which makes it nice and comfortable to hold. Now if we unscrew the barrel, you can see inside there's no cartridge, no converter. As you saw, they are still in the box, so I'm not going to put the cartridge or a converter in. I'll leave that to the new owners, but what we'll do, let's just see, it'd be interesting to see how the pen writes. So let's dip it in our ink and let's just do a dip test. Okay, so we've got cross signature, fountain pen, and as we said earlier, dating it from 1990. And made in the US of A. There's no flex on the nib, nice and simple. It's quite a hard nib. Let's just give it another little dip. But writing very nicely. It's a lovely smooth nib with a lovely ink flow. And to be quite honest with you, yeah, I can understand that it may be a Pelikan nib by the writing sample, because it writes lovely and smooth. Okay, and as it says on the nib, writing nicely with a medium line. So let's pop the cap back on, and there we go. That lovely satisfying click as you put the cap back on, and there we have it. An absolutely lovely, quality made cross signature fountain pen in this 22 karat gold electroplated with this black sort of enamelled lacquered stripe to the clip there. A gorgeous pen. So let's try and find a new home. So you cross collectors out there, if you're interested, why not get in touch? I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up. You all forget, thumbs up, please. And if you can, please support my work down below. Yes, 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 yes. We've still got problems out there, people. So wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.